Come on, take my visa. I'll take you round Africa. Hey, baby, oh my God.
Dale, if you say I make it full, Dale, if you say I make it full, Dale, if you say I make it full, understand? Dale, if you say I make it full, understand? First of all, introduction. First of all, introduction. Okay, I don't know. First of all, introduction. I mean you were singing and you drew an imitation. In other news, I'm in love with my boo and another place.
Una welcome on Top the Night Show today, Monday, on Wazobia Television, channel 195. We done there on Top Night Show. Today, thing go different, small, oh. Neru de one corner, I done the serious sins. We want to give you the night news on Top the Night Show on this Wazobia 195. So every Monday, every Wednesday, and every Friday, we could tell you all those small news where they happen everywhere. Never forget, say, you fit tweet at also. Today's show, the thing what we could talk about now, two things. After Neru give us news, Easy Beat go give us small music when we dance small. Then when we come back, oh, now two topics we want to talk about. But meanwhile, you fit send us tweet, go at W Night Show, go at Neru Wazobia FM, go at Catherine Obiang on Twitter. After you send in your message, and then the show could start. But in the meantime, you see Neru no they laugh today. So maybe we join Neru as Neru could give us the night news on Top the Night Show. Neru?
Una, good evening and welcome to the news on Top the Night Show. For today will be January 12, 2015. Check your time, you go see, say 4 minutes, don't cut work like in Kiruka. If your tom, take it past 8 o'clock. Minutes say now 4 minutes after 8. Una, what to read for today? Now I want to away giving us so. For my first story for this evening, 2015 don't come and plenty people don't they do them New Year resolution. Meaning say the thing where them they do before they not like it. Then one stop and come they do new things. We come make a cat Association of Nigeria, aka Ndi Pussy, meow. Come outside the contract say, then go they watch them wait now this year. As he be say the price of dollar don't go up. Even self the price of the food don't go up. We make this cat people, aka in the pussy, meow. Come outside the call and say, them one day watch them wait. Them president will be unwa pussy, aka 9 lives. 9 come outside, come yarn this one. And then on top another story this evening, DAN, D-A-N, will be the Dogs Association of Nigeria, Northern Chapter. Them don't they blame opposition political party now for the kind of hamatan with the frontal part of the country. Our Tory person, what they call Don Chichi, carry waka, go talk with the president of DAN, where in name be Bingo Billy Jack, aka BBJ. Make we hear what in talk on top of the matter. That one where to wow. Then be the PRO of the joint body. And then for my very last story for this evening, where would they so girls them where they say them body for money, where then they call pro. Una know their name. Una where they jam them for corner, where they pay them money. Una know their name, where they patronize them. Una know their name. Then don't come outside now, come here and say, all those where they follow drag for president, chair for next month election. Say one of them, if that person venture, if we venture, win the president election, hey, now it be say 3 days, then go give you that thing when it be say you been they pay for free or for charge. If you see the wonder what thing they talk about, where they will give you for free. And that thing when they be say mama and papa they do when they go off light, that thing now they go give you for free as long as say you show them proof of say you don't vote for next month election. Una story for today will be January 12, 2015. Now don't throw away giving us so. My name is Nedu Ngwanu. Una good evening.
For that news, that your story and the PRO for dog matter and cat matter. Onto the matter, no tell uncle quite stereo. We don't take dog play. This year is having some music. When we return, stay on Top the Night Show because when we come back, we still get one case for house and then 2 of the story when Neru just tell us we could discuss them on Top the Night Show. I will make her go drink water with a cup.
Introduction, I'm US sing and Drew and Nomatosha. In other news, I'm in love with my boo and another place, another one above. Bagoshi, Shemo Jamagana, Numo da Benito Bagana, Shemo Jockey Fosu, Mofo Bagbe, Abosu. Now we don't control the whole arena. Either we there for Nigeria or Ghana. In other news, I'm a bad man, where they intimidate Superman or Batman. When other boys then they wear one share different.
When they come back, nah.
They don't know for the place where they come with a kill every show like say we did with the gun. You don't know the team, I go show you the team, but before I show you, I say you love the team when you talk to the team, make all the girls then wanna.
You're behind is a killer. I can see you sensual.
When you wiggle and shake it, you must be intentional. Raise your hand and worship. Easy, what thing we do you now?
Why you go do that kind of thing? Easy, no cool.
Anyway, we now welcome back on Top of the Night Show. 14 will be January 12th.
We not welcome back. We never ready. We never groove that groove finish.
No. After show, after the show, we'll do it. Don't worry. You work in the orchard that you are. I'm gonna get that you are. You work in the orchard that you are. Katimo, God that you are. Welcome back to the night show. Welcome back to the night show for today will be January 12, 2015. My name is Nanetu Katimu. I don't say Katimu fine girl. See her fine cloth. Oh God.
Thank you.
Say Katimu fine cloth. Tell me something. Oh my God. Turn back. Yeah. Oh God.
Dear daddy.
I mean, why say your father? But no, we are two. Your daddy.
Dear daddy.
Hola, welcome on Top of the Night Show for today.
Yeah, but when you hear that kind of story.
Now news. You know, say different thing that happen for a country. So I just say, okay, make we begin they give news.
Hey.
Instead of all those talk who they talk, more talk who give as news, you know. So therefore, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, the news will come your way on the night show.
How you see this Amatan now?
My sister in the Lord. You see, those news where I talk now, three now I talk. The first one, away cats, they watch their weight. It's true, they are watching their weight, especially dogs where they at me and Chris at VI, the Association of Cat Can. Not Christian Association of Nigeria, no. The Cat Association of Nigeria, aka Ndi Pussy.
Oh.
Yeah, they are watching their weight this year. And then the second one, we'll talk about dogs. Dog Association of Nigeria, Northern Chapter. Their president, Bingo, Billy Jack, aka BBJ. And their PRO will now see that time. They know they play. They are serious with the matter. So we go do interview with them and then tell us all those things. Okay. Anyway, we now welcome back on Top of the Night Show. We got guests for this night show. And the person where they as guest today, na Katim brother.
Yeah.
I don't know where the guy come from. Sometimes I go to say na Igbo, sometimes I go to say na Akwa Ibom. I don't know. Na Katim brother. Hey, Monkaz. Now we get for inside studio, Monkaz.
Monkaz, now your name where your daddy and your mommy give you.
Well, now the name where I just decide. No, say when you don't the hustle, they come. When they decide they hustle,
the movement.
You could answer name like that. So based on the hustling name, that the name be that. So now we just use the
Monkaz.
They do that cat. Oh my God. Where they go carry news from the country?
But that news not true now. You don't see as them be. They know if rats come now, they use they look.
They look up.
You know, it gets some kind of news where you know if you read for Calabar. Like that dog, this is that people go just off TV. How you go they carry their this in the today? Their own this in delicacy.
Dog the first now.
They go just first.
Everybody don't do that.
Everybody go just dog.
You know election now. You don't register to vote.
You don't register to vote.
I'm not gonna lie to you, I be no planner, but when I read that headline, say whoever vote, those
they go.
you know, so my brother, my PVC don't ready since.
So those of you that wait there, our phone lines go open very soon. Make you begin talk on top of the matter. But what we go discuss today, now this matter of Hamatan.
I don't ask you before now. I say Hamatan.
Matter of Hamatan.
Hey, if you go north,
Hey!
they say for Zaria.
People for Zaria, Kaduna, Sokoto, Niger, Abeg, call us. Make we know how Hamatan be.
They say the Hamatan no be here, Neru. They say Jesus is coming soon. Now he make the Hamatan be like as he be so.
I said this Hamatan, he worry for the first
They
time
say
for
just
Nigeria.
8 degree.
For the first time for Nigeria. For Hamatan to don't cash, normally before now for village, you know. For Hamatan to cash for Lagos this year.
I shock oh.
A whole Lagos.
No,
A whole
you
Lagos.
know say the Hamatan come, you know Kriko. We don't define Hamatan since before Christmas. When we say, oh, the weather no change, it still never show like Christmas Day. All of a suddenly, hey.
All of a sudden, all of a suddenly.
All of a sudden.
No, like that.
All of a sudden, the Hamatan just come like that, like thief in the night. Like that, they talk for Bible. You know Kriko again. The Hamatan don't face. If you go Okun State, you go Osun State, you go Akure, you go Afar Mitero. Everywhere they are driving like doctor used to put something in the ear and the mouth to cover their because of the dust. It has become, it don't become like all these
Ebola.
All these Liberia, Senegal country where get red sun everywhere. Hamatan don't make the sun don't red everywhere.
Anyway, our phone numbers go there on top of your TV. Make you copy them down and make you call us on top of the matter. But first of all, we go discuss with Moncaz on top what they do. Today on Monday and a ministry Monday when we say we go discuss about what people they do.
Oh, but this your yellow trouser.
Now wow.
I don't know, you can't be to match.
I mean, stand up, make I see.
I don't know. I beg
to
stand up.
match.
Make I see
See,
your yellow trouser.
And the
You can't
trouser
be
not
to
the
match.
rich ground.
No, not the swag, not the new swag.
No,
we
now,
did,
why you know Fulham like this? Fulham rich down.
No, even if you fold, no, not the new swag. We did not be that.
Fulham down. My mama go say, if you come visit my mama like this, he go say, when you go back, your clothes don't complete, come back.
Now the new swag. We did be that.
Neru, your trouser no be like that now.
My trouser not be like this now.
Why they young?
Eh?
Your
It must
yard
jump.
not rich for clothes.
It must jump.
Anyway, easy bit how you did?
Yeah, I did fine.
How you see Hamatan?
You see, but now see your trouser.
No, my own, you reach ground.
You're rich guy.
Oh, you're all rich ground. Okay.
How far? What Hamatan they do you?
Medicine is bad well because like inside last week, the thing give me cough, it give me catarrh, the dust way.
Only you want to give you cough, he give you catarrh.
Not play. So I even can't think say maybe now because of saying me. But when I begin see some other people, what the thing begin.
Wait.
People, face don't dry. Finish.
Hamatan don't. He said because of saying are you.
Yeah,
Hamatan
No,
know
no,
you
you
now.
don't be like.
I can't say maybe now my own body system. Maybe now my own
You
body
just
system.
everybody get elephant
But
skin
when I
like
can't
you.
say,
Now even when they make call, you go think say na network. Don't worry, no, we know say na kata. They
Na
worry.
kata, oh.
That thing, is serious.
No, say na kata.
Okay, Moncaz, how is the ministry for your side?
No, the ministry. Tight.
How is the Hamatan for your
How
side?
Hamatan for your side?
Hamatan for my side, well, at the manager, at least they help us now. I know they fit. Hamatan they help you.
I there.
Whether you like Hamatan.
You got a creep person. Happy Hamatan.
I take the help.
Hamatan they help. My brother.
I take the help you.
You know it's that they talk.
I don't know.
They do, you know it's that they
I don't
talk.
know.
Hamatan they help the ministry, you know.
I don't know.
They do, you know.
They
do you know?
All liars shall go to hell. All liars shall go to hell. I don't know what happened.
Why you there so
The
sure?
Hamatan they help a lot of boys ministry, my brother.
Yeah.
The Hamatan.
Is it, you know what thing they talk about?
I don't know.
Me say if I don't know.
Early morning, you go just tell and say, it's cold that side. You want to, you go just come, hey, don't come back inside again. You say, thank God. The Hamatan.
Oh, what early morning, waiting. I don't understand. Early morning, you go
They
tell
do
me.
no first word come out from my mouth.
I
You know wetin na dey talk.
I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know what you talk about. What you they talk?
Wetin we dey try to talk be say, we go back to that story of the election. Maybe na that place now we go get enter. Make we understand where we dey come from. So that you understand where we from dey
That's
come.
why you say they do not. You don't dey change topic now.
No. I not change them. It be like say in my mind because I want ask him how ministry, then come move.
Enter that.
Enter.
No wonder you say Neruko understand. Okay.
The main way.
I don't know what
you talk that news.
It belongs to the ministry. So
I don't know what you're talking about. Anyway, the discussion
that thing you say where mommy and daddy they do. I
don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, Neru.
Anyway, what we discuss today on top of the night show now. This matter when they say girls where they sell them body for money, you know them as prostitutes. Those of them where they patronize them. Una know them. Those of them where they patronize them. Una know them.
You know the.
I don't know them.
Nedu, you don't know them.
I don't know them. I just know say them they say for Sanusi Fafunwa. For those of
You
them
don't know
where they
them,
Lagos.
Atimo.
Leave them. Atim.
Comfort.
Now they're PRO.
You say you don't know them.
You know say.
Make I call Atim there now.
Those girls say, "God, they go call price for you. You go call the tell them your problem."
Wait.
Okay.
Wait. Anyway, serious. This one a serious story. Then don't come outside now and come talk from the association, Prostitutes Association of Nigeria, PAN. Then this one not be joke. Not be if you Google them now you go see them. Then don't come outside now and come talk. Say if one person where they follow drag for presidential chair for next month election, if that person win, then go give 3 days of free wiping. As long as say you show them, say you don't vote. I don't know whether na PVC you go show them. I've been on your thumbprint of say I don't vote.
I don't vote.
You get to show them something.
I've been on your fingerprint.
I've been on your fingerprint.
Anything.
Just show them.
Just make sure say that thing. When you take your hand go praise for that thing, you go show them say that your hand when you go praise. You don't take out.
So the thing what they discuss, we say, what do you think about this matter? If you be woman, what
you
do you
agree
think
your husband
about this matter? If you be man, what do you think about the matter? But first of all, we could discuss among us. Our phone numbers go show on top of your TV right now, make you see them, so that you go fit call us on top of the matter.
Then send us Twitter message show at
All of
W
them.
Night Show. So
send us messages.
We
May
go
we
read
know.
them.
Monkaz, what do you feel about this matter?
It's very simple.
I'm gonna talk through.
It's very simple, my brother. You know, we for Nigeria, we the like to show free where. And anything we get to do, like I talked before, say, "Igao, those girls, you know, for those people where they patronize them well. My guy don't go patronize them. They tell her price, now begin tell them you're in problem. You know, say get the kind price where they go tell you. Imagine where you go, fellow get they talk.
Wait. Then 2 costs.
It depends on the area.
No, the ones where you
And
dey
the
patronize.
place.
The ones where you dey patronize, then they
No,
cost.
the one where my friend they patronize. I don't know how they did it.
Which one of your
You know, say
friends?
when you know,
Your friend
when
where went
you know, say when you go to buy
See,
drug,
He knows done the long.
when you go to buy drug for maybe gonorrhea to person, you go to buy medicine, they tell the doctor, say, sir, actually, my brother, no well. They go say, what did they do? In get gonorrhea, they do. When you wake up in the morning, one PC get accident. Doctor go come and say, how you take? No, he tell you. You go say, doctor, if you get the medicine, give me. So now, not be me they patronize them, but those guys wicked. The guys you go tell them, they go tell you price.
Okay.
How much? You hear something like 30,000. Only you go call the tell them say, my sister, you know, say yesterday they just call me from village. My man nowhere. You know, no way you begin to tell her your problem. My younger brother, they never pay school fee, and my landlord.
Therefore, you go just tell the girl. So when you finish your story, you go say, so pity me.
No, you got where you don't finish. You got to like say, so I be say as I come meet you. You know, we will just follow more understand. Cause now just 2,000 naira behold, and I be the reason to just give you 1,000 or 1,000. But as you don't take talking like this now, I don't know how we want to do it. You know the way you begin complain. Now let the girl go come and tell you say, you don't see other market. Now let me.
Okay.
So you know say you dey talk about dog for your story. Everything just they come. So ask her very well, she go tell you. He get when
I go tell her
for their carnival, he get when they call Snoop Dogg. That time when they never change name. They call Snoop Doggy Dogg make up perform for carnival. They call him. That time still be Snoop Doggy Dogg.
He never be Snoop Lion.
2 weeks later, they announce say Snoop Dogg don't change name to Snoop Lion. Now they cancel the calling. Now the manager alone, I call the call from America. Hello? Yes, is this the carnival people? Yeah, we won't come back. You're not calling us. Okay, please respect yourself. Don't call this number again. we call your artist when he was Snoop Dogg. It's because of the dog that make us call him. Now he changed it to lion. You want to come and eat us? We don't want it. Remove the lion and we'll call you back. Put back the dog. It's the dog that make us call you.
Yeah.
Take it back to the dog.
Those are my brother and my sister in the Lord. Go and kill yourself. But
because of the money, they get them back to the Snoop Dogg.
Because of money, then they change them back to Snoop Dogg.
Maybe just come.
Snoop Dogg, you know.
So, talking about these guys where they say them body for money, tell me generally what you feel about them.
Well, I feel say, you know, say for this life, nothing way, all these politicians, when they want to enter there, nothing way they know they feel used to take, bring people.
So it means that politicians now.
I they tell you. And again, too, and you know, say, this thing now, see, because I don't reason now. Say, why then go, these girls go just wake up now, because they talk this thing. That means, say, I can't the reason. I say, no wonder where they put the election on Valentine's Day.
Hey.
Now the thing on they claim me why they put them on Valentine's Day so that you go show love for pulling boot.
Okay.
Then express your love there.
So
you and your babe on that day instead of to go they spend one kind necessary money.
So what
now
you
go just carry PVC.
No, true talk. What think will happen that Valentine's Day?
We go show love now.
So man and woman things.
So man and woman go still happen. Una go hold on hand, go vote. For the love of my country.
So
nobody they spend money.
According to what you talk now, say now baby particular political party, say now them discuss with these girls.
If it be so.
Content is okay because of say we have the interest of the nation at heart.
Yeah.
And we know people are going to vote on Valentine's Day. So make una vote today. After voting, girls, you can give them for free.
Yeah.
You know,
person
people
talk for Twitter. Sorry. PSG Future. He say, I beg that one no make sense. I take talk. Where that your message?
Really?
He said that one no make sense. Make them carry their body. They go.
Who cares? My brother, you never talk through.
He just they talk. Oh.
Leave him.
He never talk.
Leave him. Is it my brother? You never tell me name. PSG Future. You never talk through. Make I talk something now. You know, say for Bible, they say Delilah.
Nah.
If we go meet Samson, can't scrape Samson hair. Plenty people begin to complain. Why? Why will Samson fall? Why will Samson fall? My brother, if Delilah of these days, which is Nicki Minaj, come to me, say, Nedu, you're my Samson, my brother. Everywhere where hair did, shave up. Shave it off.
My brother, if Nicki Minaj come meet
Nedu,
he
Nicki
said,
Minaj fit be your Delilah.
he won't collect my power. My brother, I don't allow Nicki Minaj collect the power. Now me go package the power, give him.
No.
Once he don't come, he say, because I just imagine that time where Delilah go shave Samson. Before Delilah go fit shave Samson, because they say now for night, you get then he shave Samson. So that means Delilah go don't come out, don't naked. As he carries scissors, he say, I want to shave. Then Samson just say, go ahead. Shave everything. Now he just because I'm not sure say Samson they sleep when they shave the head. He eye they open. That's the thing where they see.
But you know,
then they shave the head.
If you sit down and talk this Samson and Delilah matter, if now you there, you no go blame Samson. No.
See,
I go blame. Imagine Nicki Minaj wear bikini come meet
for what?
Hey.
My sister, take my life. Take my life, I'm taking yours.
Nicki Minaj just they bikini. Then come they sing Anaconda for you. My brother.
We dey come back. We dey come back.
When we go small market, make it play for us. When we come back, we go feel the take una call. We dey come.
Show them. Show them. Mr. Flavor Fire. Shake it, shake it. Africa tampamba shake it, shake it, shake it. Africa tampamba shake it, shake it, shake it. Africa tampamba shake it, shake it, shake it. Africa tampamba shake it. Africa tampamba de ma baby is so fine. Africa.
na.